Hey guys, back for another video. Today we just got, it's heavy. Today we just got curiosity box from VSauce. So VSauce, I'm probably one of VSauce's biggest fans. So I got a curiosity box because I'm just very interested in the science stuff. So we're gonna be unboxing it together. And then we're gonna see what's inside this curiosity box. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and if you do enjoy this video, please like and subscribe because it shows me a lot of support. Okay, let's open it. Whoa. We've got a book. No, not a book. We just got a little poster and all these little things. Tie knots. There's a lot of things in here. There's a curiosity book, small little curiosity book. It just shows tells you all about the things. And you have this. I don't know what that is. Shadow alphabet puzzle. Whoa, what is this? A shadow alphabet puzzle? Okay, I'm gonna open it later. We've got this Mars dust, simulated Mars soil. Okay, so it's not breathed in. We're going robber mode. Whoa. MGS1, Mars Global Simulant. Let's see how Mars feels like. Whoa. Feels pretty cool. Feels like Mars. Don't ask me how I know that. Okay. Got a picture pie. What is a picture pie? Picture pie. Let me try unboxing this safely. Woo! Okay. What's a picture pie? Let's see. Oh, it's one of these. I like these. I've never used one in a long time. Okay, we got a book called Why Not It? But no, why not? Had to tie more than 60 ingenious, useful, beautiful, life-saving, and secure knots. Very high quality book. Why not it? 60 types of knots. Nice. Okay, let's see what else is in here. And we got a nice t-shirt. I think it's a t-shirt, yeah. Okay, that was all to the box. Hope you guys liked my video. Bye.